Good morning guys, good morning from heaven. Look at where I am. It's currently 7 a.m. I couldn't sleep properly. I woke up according to India time and I just have one day left in Engelberg and I didn't want to waste it. So I've come for a run now with Mohak and look at this. That's our hotel. This is like the park for our hotel, I guess. So we're just gonna run around, shoot a video and explore Engelberg a little bit on our feet today. Mohak has started running already. Give me fist bump, say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
Let's go for a run. हमने coffee भी यहाँ पे रखी है. हाँ, this one is mine. Guys, we've just walked थोड़ा वहाँ hotel से and look at this. The view is insane. Guys, we were running and I found this pink puzzle piece on the floor. It's like it was meant for me to find it. Guys, we're still shooting our reel, but look at this. Wow. Wow, insane. I can't believe my eyes. Ready to leave. I'm running so late. I've just rushed out of my room. I didn't even get time to get ready. I got ready in 20 minutes. Everyone's waiting down for me. So let's go. We have just exited and we have met the rest of the group. Anam is here. We are, oh my god. I'm looking at every frame and I'm getting surprised. It's crazy. We're going to Mount Titlis now. Okay, it's a walking distance from our hotel. So we're walking to the Mount base, I guess? The base station. Okay. So we're walking to the base station. Excited. अंदर क्या पहना है तुमने दिखाओ जरा.
तुम्हारा इनर डाला
मैंने उसका मैचिंग व्हाइट वाला पहना है.
यार तो मैं भूल गया. मैंने मेरे हेल्पर को बोला भी कि पैक कर दियो. पता नहीं पागल ने किया नहीं. और मैं कल यहाँ लेने गया 13,000 रुपए का था. मैंने कहा नहीं घर में मर जाऊंगा. 13,000
तुम्हें तो तुम ये तो आने से पहले ही वाज लाइक आई तो डोंट फील कोल्ड. मैं तो दिल्ली से हूँ. मुझे तो चाहिए ठंडी. अब क्यों चाहिए तुम्हें वार्मर? गाइस, सो नाउ Aves, as his prank plan, he stole Anam's camera and he ran away and Anam has ran behind him all the way. हम लोग भाग भी नहीं पाए उनके पेस तक.
भाई मैं उसको पकड़ लेता बट मेरे को याद आया कि वो अवेज है. I swear to God.
वो लोग भाग गए bro and a lot of people ran behind them because they thought it was a real robbery. Anam! रो रही है? Oh no! Success! Oh, success! And everyone was looking at me. Someone came and she helped me. She's like, do you need help? And she started running with me. Bro, 3-4 people started running behind you. And तू जो fast भागी है. भागना था मेरा कैमरा लेके गया. Oh my god. हाँ अरे वो प्रैंक कर रहे थे उसके साथ. हाँ उसका भाई ही है वो. Let's go.
सुबह जॉगिंग हो गई मेरी.
इसकी भी. Bro, even I didn't know. He surprised me at the airport. You were Chachi on the same flight. Right, yeah. The same thing happened with him. Yes. 30 hours हम सब साथ में आए.
हम सबके साथ में यही हुआ.
And we were waiting for this. Avis तो wait कर रहा था surprise करने.
Bro, he gave me 2 shocks. One, he stole my camera.
And second, he's here.
He's standing there and he's smiling.
Guys, so we're gonna go up on that. Wow.
अभी लगा इसके इतना भागे है इसके पीछे तो हमें भी
गर्मी लग रही है ना. But ऊपर I think it'll be minus. She said no when we go in the snow. And ऊपर से warmer. Oh damn, that's. It will feel like a roller coaster when you go on it. Anam अभी तक. Bro, Anam, please
फोन और कैमरा संभाल के रखना.
Guys, everyone's photo shoot is going on. Everyone's switching spots over there and taking photos quickly. मिहिर की बारी हो गई, मैंने और अदब ने भी खींची. Oh wow! It sounds so calming, no?
All the bells have got different sounds.
Yeah, and you can tell.
What happens is after a cow dies, they have to retire the bell because the family then thinks that that cow has come back. So they can't use their bell for some time. Because
Oh, so the
they
cows
can-
recognize the
bell.
sound of the bell?
Bell.
Oh my god, that's pagal ladega. Guys, we can't see anything. It's all white. Oh god, my hands, Anam. We're going to the horizon deck, which is the highest viewing point. Am I right or am I right? We got so excited at the first viewpoint only. We were there for like an hour. This is the horizon deck, which is the highest viewpoint. That experience was crazy. It was so peaceful and it was so... I was almost about to cry. Anam and I, in the start 2 minutes, we were just looking at the view and it was silent. It was pin drop silent tha, bro. Bro,
पूरे ट्रिप पे मैं ऐसे याद रखूंगी.
we were already very overwhelmed.
हाँ एक्चुअली हम भूल गए.
Very peaceful लग रहा है.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था. मजा आशा.
How was it? It was so silent.
When it came so fast, शुरू में then it became
Thoda,
very
yeah. Wow, that was a nice experience. And पैर को इसमें लॉक करके रख. Wow.
लोग होता है.
We've come to the spot now to take videos. And then just after us there was another group of 2 boys. So we want their picture also. Guys, so we've all come for lunch now. The whole group is here. And there's zero visibility outside. It's just plain white. So they've given us something to start with. And this is their local butter with sourdough bread. My food is here. It's the cheese burger. Cheese. I did actually, but for my vlog I've started eating now. Fish.
Yummy.
It's so yummy. Yeah, one bite, please. I don't eat fish, but this fish is so good. Which fish is it? Is it salmon?
I don't know.
Our dessert is here. It's like a raspberry tart. So we've come to the Rolex. Rolex what? Boutique. We've come to the Rolex boutique. Over here at Titlis. We have to manifest this next.
Rolex, no?
Inshallah. Yes. Inshallah we'll be buying one day.
14 शायद।
मुझे ऐसे खास शौक नहीं है बट
हम भी वही बात कर रहे थे अभी जस्ट
बट ऐसे प्रिटी वाला छोटू वाला ooh this blue dial Rolex is pretty रील खत्म नहीं हो रहा है इनका we've come for zip line now finally getting ready for zip line. Bye. See you on the other side.
I know, but see, it's just like sitting in a hammock, huh? Nothing to be scared of.
I think I want to go next.
Okay,
I want to get it over with.
you can come here
Okay.
and then just walk over to the other side.
Sorry.
Okay?
Okay.
And when we don't you just have a seat.
Oh.
See, perfectly normal.
Can you just double check everything?
Hey, you know what? I'm gonna triple check
Oh,
everything.
thank you. You're the sweetest.
Of
You're
course.
too sweet.
Safety first, huh?
Yeah.
ठीक है।
बहुत.
इसमें क्या है? ये तो बहुत छोटू है।
But I don't know.
मैं सुपरमैन में कितना 150 फ्लोर पे क्या
मेरी बहुत लगती है.
किया था भाई?
Just like soup. It's just like sitting in a hammock, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Hold one hand up here on the rope.
Okay.
Perfect. And
Yeah.
if you're using the phone, hold on tight, okay? Especially at the end, you will feel the brakes.
okay.
Yeah. And now, I'm just gonna put you right here, okay? I'm not letting you go yet. It's fine.
Okay.
I promise.
Oh my God, just sweet.
That goes. Okay.
Oh my God, are you letting me?
Without saying anything. It's okay, bye.
Yeah, you'd break my heart. You'd break my heart. Oh my God, we're almost done. Yeah, that was so fun. We have to walk back now, but this view. Can't get over this view. Can't get over this view. But we're about to miss our gondola. And if we miss our gondola, we'll have to walk for 2 hours, which is insane. Guys, we've gotten ready. Look at our pretty woman. Look at our handsome boy. Ooh, pretty little baby. Let's go. My feet are hurting so bad. Everyone's shooting content over here. Is that a church?
No,
That's
half an hour में वो होता है time.
time बताने?
हाँ, time.
Damn, that's cool. They don't have clocks? I think they prefer natural.
भाई फ्रेम में क्या 4 चांद लग गए मेरे आते ही। मेरे को घूमना है। अबे ये क्या? क्रॉस क्यों किया? क्या रुक जा? क्या?
ऐसे. 1 and a 2. And आगे पीछे और शोल्डर को भी ऐसे करना है. आगे पीछे. Dinner time. It's still bright outside.
2, 1, go. Oh shit, हिल गया।
हाथ में उसका.
मेरे हाथ में था ना हमारे? Sit, tilt कर। 3, 2, 1, go.
Cheers. This is how we end our night. Good night.